Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome to Reading 2 course, Unit 9, Modeling Nature. In the previous lecture, we talked about analyzing criteria and determining degree. But in today's lecture, we will learn new concepts such as analyzing advantages and disadvantages, and how to identify ethics and value. Now open your book, page number 129. In addition to what I mentioned, you will read about how the field of robotics is using models in nature to create machines, and you will increase your understanding of the target academic words for this unit, such as bulk, which is huge or big، الحجم، حجم ضخم، capacity، سعة، code، اللي لها أكثر من معنى باللغة العربية. for example قانون، أو معناها ترميز أو تشفير، أو شفرة، comprise، consist، document. Furthermore, illustrate، method، notion، فكرة، proceed، project، مشروع، schedule and shift. Try to fill this self-assessment of the target words. Think carefully about how well you know each target words in this unit. Then write it in the appropriate column in the chart. When you have finished this unit, come back and reassess your knowledge of the target word. Now move to page number 136. Reading 2. So before you read, we will discuss these questions in the next Zoom meetings. Are robots with a human-like intelligence a development that we should embrace or fear? Okay, and what characteristics or qualities must a machine have in order to be considered a robot? We will need also these two words: aspirations, a strong desire to do something, a hope or ambition; emulate, which means try to be like something else, design or create an artificial copy that looks and behaves the same as the original. Okay, you should pause the video now to read the text, because for the time convenient I can't read it for you, so you should read it, then we will move to solve the question together. Okay, I hope you have read the text, prepared well for the questions. Now let's move and solve the questions. Mark each sentence as true or false according to the information in reading 2. You can use your dictionary to help you to understand the new words. Okay. Question number 1. Ray Kurzweil sees advantage cyborg and android robots as inevitable. We are looking for the name here. We see advanced cyborg and android robots as inevitable. So the answer of this question is true. Question number 2. Karl Kapik saw robot as a threat to humans. This question also true. According to Kurzweil, we have trouble seeing utilitarian devices as being true robots. Also this question is true. Question number 4. As our technological capabilities increase, technology becomes more and more expensive. So if you have read that text, you will find this statement is false. Okay, question number 5. Croswell believes we have underestimated the complexity of the human brain. Also, the statement is false. The actual structure of the brain is less complex than the code for some computer programs. According to the text, this statement is also false. And the final one, question number 7. According to Croswell, we will not only create machines with superhuman intelligence, but we will also enhance our own intelligence. So this statement is totally true. Okay, now let's move to the second question, which will use this scanning skill to do so. Scan the article for the answer to these questions. First, think about the keyword you will scan for. For example, if we want to answer the first question, we have to scan for the cyborg and android. Use any annotation or highlighting you have done to help you compare answer with your partner. Now, what are the cyborgs and androids? Just go scan the text and you will find there are kinds of robots. Cyborgs are machine enhanced human, and android are human-like robots. What was Lee Irvin and when was it built? Okay, so we are looking for this word to scan. It was a mechanical child that could write with a pen. It was invented in 1772. Question number 3. Yes, who was the philosopher who speculated that the brain was a mechanical system? So we are looking for the philosopher name. So his name is Wilhelm Leibniz. Good. Where was Karel Kapik from? He was from Czech. Okay. About how many neurons are there in the human brain? So we are looking for the word neurons in the human brain. So it's about or approximately 100 billion neurons. Okay. About how long did Kurzweil think it would take to create exhaustive model of a human brain at the time he wrote this article? So we are looking for exhaustive model as a keyword to scan for. It's in about 20 years. If Kurzweil is correct, when can we expect to see a machine with a human level intelligence? So by 2029. Now, so reading strategy, identifying ethics and value. In weighing advantages and disadvantages, we also consider ethics, values, and morals. Will an idea or plan promote things we like or value? Will it discourage things we dislike or fear? In this one, here are some ethical and moral consideration. Can you think of others to add to the list? Okay. In next lecture on the Zoom meeting, I need from you to add to this list things we want to encourage normally or promote or increase, such as good health, wealth, freedom, free time, recreation, taking responsibility, fairness, learning, security, beauty, knowledge, amusement and fun, new experiences, justice, self-control, trust, loyalty, generosity, friendliness, politeness, cooperation, and bravery. Okay? And also things we want to discourage or prevent or decrease, such as violence, crime, fatigue, disease, pain, poverty, favorism, injustice, greed, decay and ugliness, jealousy, vanity, laziness, dishonesty, rudeness, irresponsible behavior, immoral behavior, environmental damage, loss of traditions. Okay? In approving or rejecting an idea, writer may clearly state that what ethical concerns or values motivate their writing. Just as often, though, writer will imply what values are important to them. Each statement on the left describes one feature of a trend, development, or behavior. Match each statement to desire or fear listed on the right. Okay, so we have here 5 statements, and also we need to match it with these 5 statements. So number 1, okay, research shows that few people can fully function well on less than 8 hours of sleep a night. Google book search offers free publicity and a new avenue for sales. Economic bubbles make people believe that they are richer than they are. Students from rural area will be penalized. A mission to Mars will increase children's interest in science and exploration. Okay, the right column statements: it promotes curiosity and wonder, it encourages irresponsible financial decision making, it encourages favorism and unfairness, it damages health, and also it increases popularity and profit. Now, reading these 2 columns, we can say that research showed that few people can truly function well on less than 8 hours of sleep a night. So we know this statement before, we took it in the unit 2, I guess. So it's simply, it damages health. Okay? Question number 2, Google's book search offer free publicity and a new avenue for sale. Because it wants to increase popularity and profits. So the answer is E. Question number 3, economic bubbles make people believe that they are richer than they are. So I'm pausing a little bit, so you can pause the video to think of the answer. The best answer is it encourages irresponsible financial decision making. Number 4, students from rural areas will be penalized. So I'm left with the C and A. So let's see, it encourages favorism and unfairness. And the final one, a mission to Mars will increase children's interest in science and exploration. So the best answer, it promotes curiosity and wonders.